Hi guys, it's Harvey from All Parts Pool and Spa. Everybody knows I try to do a weekly review, and I just want to tell you about this news from Pentair on their heat pumps. They're going away from the thermoflow heat pumps effective April 15th, so it's already over. They're changing their heat pumps. They changed a couple of things around. The big thing is they changed their fan. They slowed down the fan RPM, so it's a lot quieter. I believe they added another blade to still get the volume, but they slowed down the RPMs. So the fan is apparently extremely quiet. Um, I've been working on these heaters now for, I don't know, last 8 to 9 years. And they're an excellent heat pump. So I give these guys a thumbs up. It's just scrolling down. You can stop it and look. They're giving some incentives. Here's the new part numbers. Okay, here's the new part numbers. And a little bit more information about them. Okay, TXP valve. Everybody has them. Excuse me. So, just, I'm not a big fan of R410A. Alright, everybody knows that I argue about R410A. And there's a lot of heat pump manufacturers out there that's going to have a big learning curve. I believe in their writing, yes, they've been doing R410A since 2003. And they have their act together on 410A. So, I give these guys a thumbs up. They're a Harvey pick of the week. And besides that, they're giving this $150 incentive. Here's the new part numbers for the new heaters. All take a 50 amp breaker. I would never go for the small heater. I would always go for the larger one. These heat cool units, another thing. A lot of people don't have their act together again with heat cool. Why, I don't know, but a lot of companies don't. They're just problems. And I definitely enjoy working on the Pentair heat pumps. I haven't worked on many because they really don't fail that much. When they do fail, it's usually large, but it's usually because they're 10 years old and it's 50 feet before the ocean, and they're just rusted completely out. There's nothing left. Okay, so 10 years, 50 feet away from the ocean, I think it's pretty good. So most heat pumps can last about 3 to 5. So again, this is a Harvey pick. Again, I am Harvey from All Parts Pool and Spa, and this is a Harvey pick of the week. There's my pick of the week. Take care, guys. Have a great weekend. Bye.